Lovely. Well, here I am in Olivo, my first restaurant that I opened in 1990, quite a long time ago, it's that 3 years ago. And this is what made us famous with the Japanese people, particularly. They call it karazumi. This is spaghetti Bottarga, and it's like our best dish that we have done here in this restaurant, and we continue to do it today. And it's the most amazing dish for the people that like it, because it's not for everybody. But I have to say, people that didn't like it at first, like my wife, now are completely hooked on it. We make this dish in a different way that other places do. You know, we always use butter, which is something I don't use anywhere in my cooking, but I use it for this dish because it makes it creamy. In fact, an Italian journalist thought we add cream on the dish, but we don't actually. One of my favorite dishes ever. Cheers everybody, hope you come and see me soon.